presently in 7th standard of Lakshmipad Singhania Academy, Kolkata. My hobbies are art, reading and robotics. I have been appearing for Olympiad since class 3 and Olympiad helper has been my exam guru ever since. I have been selected for second round every time with good marks. This year it has been my personal best with rank 1 in West Bengal and 6th rank in international arena of NSO 2011 to 2015. Olympiad helpers mock and sample tests have helped me get a real life feel of Olympiad exams. I sincerely thank Olympiad helper team and wish that they keep up the good work and help me attain my future targets.